Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tenamsco, and in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing the latest Vapormax flying. Oh my god. The latest Vapormax. The Flyknit 2 2020, yeah? And I'm not really sure about that one. I'm not really sure about today's one, innit? Because
Show your face, trash.
the color scheme is a bit outside of my comfort.
Trash.
You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna stay brave and review this shoe. You know what I'm saying? Go into new horizon. So without too much talking, let's get into the video.
Check.
Ready, steady, go. So here they are. You know what? You know one thing, yeah? You know, I thought they were ugly, innit? But they're not that ugly. They just, you know when something is so original and like unheard of that, it's like you don't know what to think of it. It's like, it's something you've never seen. Do you know what I mean? And I don't know, man. But it's not as ugly as I thought. Because when I first got them, I was like, what the? You know what I mean? I was thinking, that could never be me. But right now, I'm starting to see myself a bit. But I'm still not going to wear it, like, I still wouldn't wear it, but I can see myself in it a bit. Maybe by the end of this review, we'll see whether or not I change my mind. But yeah, they are. Look at the bottom. By the way, these are made, like the plastic part and everything is made out of recycled products, innit? Recycled plastic and whatever.
Trash.
Do you know what I mean? So here's the inside. Do you know? I wonder what this is for, you know? You see this little thing here? I really wonder. But you know what? There's an aspect of beauty to this shoe, you know? If you think about it, really. You know one thing, the part I like the most here is this thing here. It's so beautiful. I don't know, man. This shoe is giving me mixed feelings, you know. Mixed emotions in that. In my feelings. Do you know what I mean? Like, wow. But the bottom, even look at the bottom. Wait, why am I so... I said they were ugly, but I don't know, there's beauty in them. I don't know how to explain it. It's beautifully made. Have you seen something that's so beautiful here that is actually scary? I think that's these shoes, you know. You know what I'm saying? Have you ever seen a peacock in real life? Because I have, when I used to live in Mali, in Africa. And it's so beautiful, it's so nice here that it's actually scary. I think that's the same thing with these. My initial reaction was like, nah, man will never buy them, innit? But now, what do you guys think of the looks? Well, let me know in the comment section here. What do you think of the looks of these shoes? Because me can't make my mind, you know. And here's got this. The hell is this? You're supposed to pull it out or something? Is that like an emergency parachute or something that you pull when you're running too fast? They therefore seem comfortable. But would I wear these in winter? I don't know, man. I think it's time we put them to the test. For real. Yeah, let's put them to the test. And let me know what you think of the looks of this shoe in the comment section. must say that I'm kind of flabbergasted. Wait, you can't even see that. I'm kind of flabbergasted. Because at this point, this shoe made me go through so many feelings. I haven't even put them on. Why? Oh my god. This is so comfy. This is actually comfortable. And it looks nice as well from the top. Oh my days. Can't believe it. All my beliefs are crushed. Like, I don't think you understand what's going on. All my theory on these Flyknit shoes have been crushed. And I will actually buy them for real. I will cut them. This is how nice they are and comfortable. Wow. Oh my days. Oh, look at this. Lord have mercy. It's comfortable. If you wear with thick socks, you can wear them in the winter. It's flexible. You can sprint, jog, go to a mall, and then I feel like this is everything I've been looking for. Wow. You know, it's like my eyes, I couldn't see, now I can see. Shoes. This is why I love Nike, because they have the ability to surprise people. I never thought I could get such a surprise, because just by looking at them I was like, nah, that could never be me. When I was beginning with the video, I was like, that could never be me. But now that I got them on, it's a different story. Okay, let's see what's going on. Y'all pick the drip. This is not only drip, it's drip, comfort, the future. This is the future. Big man thing. This is the future of shoes. Of wearing shoes. I can see myself going to the gym with this. I can see myself going out casually. Because obviously we love tracksuits in London. I can see myself going out casually. I can see myself going to a rave. Actually, I'm not sure about the rave thing. I can actually, I can go to a rave. What do you think? Can you go to a party with them? I definitely would. You know what? The mad thing about these shoes is that it's a gamble. You know what I'm saying? Only a rare breed of man that can take the step to, like, you know what I'm saying, step out the comfort zone and wear them things, man. And I'm one of them, that breed. People that can do it. Yeah, I'm not trying to blow my own trumpet, but I am in a certain way, that's right. I'm flabbergasted. You're flabbergasted. We are flabbergasted. They are flabbergasted. No way. It is flabbergasting. No cap. But yeah. I have to put the link in the description. And I have to bless you guys with these shoes, man. Yeah. No cap. No cap. No cutie cap, man. So yeah. Let's give it a mark. I'm going to write a book, just like Stephen Hawking, a brief history of time. Flyknit Vapormax edition. The theory of the relativity of the Air Max bubbles combined to the materialistic resistance of the... No, but seriously, it's time to give this show a mark. And these shoes has filled so many of the boxes. Like, I don't even know why, but I'm emotional. Like, I don't know why, but wow. I might do something that I've never done before. I might do something crazy, bro. Yeah, I will do something crazy today with the market. Flyknit. Looks are amazing because it takes you by surprise. Like, I don't know how to explain it. When you see them on the shelf, you're like, nah, I will never, ever wear this shoe. But then once you look at them up close and you put them on, it's like you can't help it. It's like you can't help but want to keep them. You can't help but, do you know what I mean? Like, rah. Number 2, comfort is the comfort. Like, I've never had such an easy time putting on shoes in my life. Never. 3rd, durability. It seems durable. It's light and durable, and it can go through winters if you put on some slightly thicker socks, you know what I mean? Which are available everywhere. I'm in my feelings right now. You can wear with a lot of stuff. Yeah. You can wear with a lot of stuff. And yeah. Today, yeah. Let me shed a tear. I think I found my soulmate. I have really. I really have. And I can't believe I'm saying this myself, because I never thought I would catch feelings. But I did catch feelings. You see, this is what love is about. Seduction. This shoe seduced me, bruv. It seduced me, bruv. You know? Push and pull, fam. Was playing the game. I didn't like it, then I liked it. It made me confused. Now I'm whipped. I caught feelings. But I'm not sure if I should give this mark though. Should I give it? Okay. You know what? Just for today, just for this shoe, I'm gonna give it 10, bruv. 5 times 2, 10, 1, 0. Not 1.0, 1, 0 from 10. 10 out of 10, bruv. Yeah. 10 out of 10 for this shit. Goes raw. I've never seen a shoe make me go through so many emotions, mixed emotions, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Okay. But yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. What's your birthday? I'm just going out.